Heading north. It's got to be one of the most exciting things an angler can do. Living in southeast Queensland, it can be a long and dangerous drive. But as the scenery changes, the excitement builds. And it's not just the scenery, it's the wildlife. The species of fish. The new systems you're fishing. And just the new areas you get to explore. Filled with waterfalls and rainforests. It is one of the most beautiful places on earth. More often than not, days turn to nights on the road, and it's a long and grinding drive, but the risks are worth the rewards. This is Road to the North. Camp set up. We're at Lucinda now, and we're just getting everything ready. Tomorrow we're going out to Zoe Bay, check out Zoe Falls. Do a bit of stuff, keep the missus happy, and then do a bit of fishing along the way. But the next day after that's looking good to get to the reef, so I'm just getting everything ready now. And this is the type of shit that I've got to deal with. So I've got to sit here, think of all the lures to put on, tie all the leaders, tie all the knots, and you just get to sit there sunbaking. Bloody hell, eh, mate? You do all the work and then you take them out and they catch all the fish.
Yeah, well, you got to make them feel good, don't you?
We are on the water. It's a beautiful day. We're heading up the southeastern side of Hinchinbrook Island up to a little place called Zoe Bay. Maybe check out Zoe Falls, but on the way we're going to have to go and have a little cast at the jetty and try and get a GT or a Queenie or something. So we'll have a cast there and then we'll head up, maybe fish a couple of points on the way up there. Check that out, do a bit of fishing on the way back, and then hopefully to the reef tomorrow. Woo! Still is. Eat it. Oh, he's under it. The GT. Remember, these come down and out, and they're probably down here. So if you drop sort of like now. Because you might catch it straight away, so if you start feeling something, just pull it up off. Go faster, like kick up, boom, 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 boom. Yep. Oh! Go, 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 go. Go back down. Holy shit. We just had to get up that little ravine. Oh, real slippery. Slippery shit here. Oh, real slippery. Be careful on that, eh? Maybe come even up the top where it's a bit more dry, because that's super slippery. You alright?
Yeah.
You ready?
Hopefully we can get there.
We can. Oh, if I can see it. Oh, the top pool. The top pool. Are you kidding? What? That is just, like, that's paradise. But this top pool, oh my god. The top pools of Zoe Bay, Zoe Falls. No, not the deep. Walk out of it. Oh, man, you're kidding. We've left the top pool and we're going.
No, the middle pool.
The middle pool, we're going to the top. A little climb. A little climb. Oh, crawl through the trees. Oh, babe. Wow, this is the top. There's Zoe Bay. Boat's down there somewhere. More full falls. Wow. Nearly there. How's that? It's like a slide. Might be easier just to cross this. Careful. Wow. How's that for a view? Oh. Still not there yet. Still not there. Nearly. Wow, look at. This is the top. There's no real. Oh, there could be a pool up here. Look at the mountains. Back to the ocean. Go and check out this. Yeah, that's a pool. A little bit of a trek to get up to this one. Wow. The top pool. Back out to the bay.
Made it.
Finally, tick this one off. It's been a couple of years. Missed out. And there is an actual track up here, we just missed it.
We just decided to do rock climbing instead.
We took the hard way, too excited. We'll take the track back down and we'll go for a swim back in the main pool. And this is the track here. Don't do what we did. Scale the rocks. Hey, it was fun, but pretty dangerous and tiring. The track was much easier. Well, we're gonna go for a last little dip, head back to the boat, and well, maybe have some lunch actually.
Okay.
Oh, there's a marsh fly on you.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, stop. Hold him.
Put him in the water.
Hang
Put
on.
him in the water.
Got the marching. Where is he?
There's 3 of them here.
Look at all these jungle perch. Oh, he's gonna eat it. He ate it out of my hand. Wow. Oh, that's a big one. Oh. He just ate it out of my hand.
Babe, look at them. They're right here. Oh, he's going to bite my finger.
That's alright, they don't have teeth.
Put your fingers kind of at the top.
Look at them all. Look at them all. What?
Your fingers are too big. They're like mine are so small.
Alright, go. See who wants yours.
Oh my god, I don't want him to. No,
you.
they got sharp.
No, they don't have sharp teeth.
They do have
They don't
sharp
have teeth.
teeth.
They don't have teeth. Like a bass.
Just go and get some of the
Let him bite you.
No, I don't want
He's
him.
not gonna. Wow, look at them all.
Whoa. Babe, go and get some of those rice crackers. Yeah. I
didn't get it.
Oh my god, it bit my finger.
Put your hand in.
It bit my finger. Oh my god, they're gonna bite my toes. They're trying
Ready?
to bite my toes.
Oh, he bit me.
Oh, it bit me out of the water. Ow, they're biting my toes.
Things are turning sour.
They're like piranhas.
Wow, look at him. Look at him. Look at him. He's right here. Ready?
Hang on, I'll hold on. Whoa,
Here, you hold this.
on top of you.
Yeah. Ready?
Oh, you can't really see them that well.
Ready? Yeah, that's alright. Ready? I'm gonna catch one.
No, don't.
No, ready?
No, you're freaking me out.
No fishing?
No fishing. I need to get from this side. Closer.
Oh.
Yeah. Closer.
Ready?
Closer.
Oh. Here we go, here we go.
Yeah.
Oh.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Baby, I'm not like that one. Just get over it.
Well, that was Zoe Bay. What did you reckon?
Falls.
Zoe Falls. Somewhere we wanted to go to for a couple of years, missed out, and we both reckon it's like the best waterfall we've ever been. Feeding jungle perch, having them come up and eat stuff out of your hand. It was just amazing. There's a little creek to come in, and then it's about a 900-meter walk in. Beautiful, we just leave the boat anchored there. But as we came in, just as we got off the boat, there was fish busting up all around these mangroves, so we're gonna go and have a cast. Just tied on a frog. At least it's got a white swimmer's snagless. And we'll see if we can get a barra or a jack or something.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, nice, get him out. Cod, oh. That's alright, still. Hey,
Little fish.
there you go. Little codly. Oh, toothy little bastard. Wanna hold him?
No. It's okay.
Oh, yeah. Oh, did you see that race after it? Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Little cod. Oh. Another little cod. Seen a couple of jacks, but caught nothing but cod. Phew. Oh, that was a jack.
Oh, I got stuck in the tree.
There's one, a little baby jack. Two. Oh, it dropped right next to him. Oh, he's spooked. Oh, they're on it. Oh, they spooked. Oh, they're back. Oh. There's one. Oh, yeah. I watched him come and eat that. Oh, God. Well, that's it. Saw a heap of jacks. We got 80-pound leader on. We'll set up for other stuff, and they just keep shying away. Oh, a couple of cod, not bad. One more cod. Oh, polecat. Oh my God. Oh, they're permit. Oh my God. No, they're diamonds. Babe, turn around. Turn around.
This way?
Yeah.
good.
What are they doing?
Go, 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 go.
I don't want to scare them. Oh, they're right here.
Come on. Go, 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 go.
What are they doing?
I don't know. Go, go, go. Up, more, more.
There's some up there, I think, as well.
Oh, they're on it.
They're gonna eat this.
They're there, they're back there.
Yeah. There.
Oh, just there. What are they doing? They definitely look like they're feeding. Come on. Oh.
They look like diamonds.
They are big.
Well, that's the end of day one, Lucinda. Pretty hard day on the fish, like the tides are just, there was no current whatsoever. Literally nothing happened. We missed a few GTs off the jetty coming out, a couple of packs came out. Went over to Zoe Bay, that was awesome checking that out. And then from there we went back. Oh, we got a few cod and missed a few jacks and stuff in the creek there, and the weather blew up a bit, so we punched it back, went back to the jetty on the way in, had a couple more GTs come up, and then had like a whole school of kale feeding on like tiny little bait, like the bait, it was like plankton, it was like microscopic, you couldn't even see it, but they were feeding. I threw at least 6 different lures, and they're downsized right down to like a 2.5 inch grub, and then even like a 7 gram micro jig. Like, just couldn't get a bite. And spoke to another guy who's camping with us at the moment. He said the same thing. He's like, I chased them around for 2.5 hours and couldn't get them to bite. So I don't know, that was just tough, and it was frustrating because they were just, you could just see them, and I've wanted a big cal for ages. But I'm just punching back into town now, go get some more supplies, a bit more fuel, some snacks and water and stuff that we need to top up on, because we'll probably stay out here for a couple of days, and there's no shopping in Lucinda anymore. So go back in, and then when I get back, I'm going to check the weather and see if everything's still looking good. If it is, we'll go out to the reef. If not, we might go up the creek and chase some jacks and barra and stuff up there. But what an epic day. There's Hinchinbrook there. It's beautiful, beautiful.